Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up Duo Mobile so you can use it for two-factor authentication and keep your account more secure. So first open up your App Store, search for Duo Mobile, then download and install the app. So once it is installed, you have to open the app, then tap continue. And then you'll see two options for adding your account. So first you can use a QR code. Second, you can use an activation code. And if you're using the activation code, just select the option and follow the prompts. And tap next to continue. Now, name the account using your company's name, then tap save. Your account is now linked. Tap practice now so you can see how the two-factor notifications will work. So after the practice is complete, you should see an entry for your company with a 6-digit passcode. And that's it. You're all set. Thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.